Hi guys, so this is for 207 Peugeot 207. So this is a good light bulb. This is an indicator light bulb, and I'm going to show you how to replace the faulty one, the blown one. So here goes. You need to twist this. You see this little plastic cover bit here? Inside consists of your bulb. So I'm going to try and show you as much as possible. You got to turn it like this. Turn it like this, okay? So it's a bit fiddly to remove, but it comes out. Right, I've removed the old bulb. As you can see, this is the blown one. Look how dirty it looks. It's very bad. You see, the string bit on that bit is missing. That's how you know it's blown. So the light bulb came off easily. Just twist it and remove it. And this is how it looks like. Your new one will go inside here. So I've put the new one in. I'm doing this video with one hand, by the way. So put your new bulb down and then twist it so it connects here. You see? Here. Right, once it's in, you just insert it again. Bear with me for a few seconds. I'm going to put the light bulb back in. I've managed to get the bulb in, and you turn it this way, okay? That's securely in now. Let me zoom in. It's very easy. It's a DIY job. You can do it yourself. You don't need to take it to anybody. So I'm going to test the indicator light to see if it comes on. Yep. All good. Very simple, guys. You can do this yourself. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.